The real star of the small garden type sprinkler is the Pro Spray sprinkler. Now this same body can be used for varying different spray heads, which I'll show you in a moment. But the beauty of the Pro Spray body is that it has a built-in flushing cap. Now when you've installed anything in the garden, be it valves or drip line or whatever, but especially pop-up sprinklers, you want to be flushing the water through the pipes and through the sprinkler head before you fit any of the fine sprinkler nozzles. And this has a flushing cap exactly for that reason. So you'd install them, you get them at the right level, then you turn the system on, and it basically would just flush the water through, clean any dirt or debris that it had picked up whilst you were digging the trenches, etc. It also has an easily adjustable riser. The beauty of that is that when you've set it and you're not quite there, you can just grab hold of the center riser and then just index it round left or right until it gives you that fine degree of arc adjustment. So once that's done, then you can unscrew it and pop that away. And then you've got a choice of two nozzle types. You've got the Hunter MP rotator type sprinkler with its own built-in filter there, and then that just screws in. Or you've also got the K-Rain type of nozzle. Why would you use them? Well, the actual MP rotator has a slightly different range, so if you want to go a little bit further, then you can use the MP, the Hunter MP nozzle, and that will give you a slightly more range than the K-Rain. But the only problem is with these, there are 3 different sizes of radius, but there's also sizes of arc as well. So you do need to have some idea of what arc you want to do or you want to set before you actually select the actual sprinkler that you want. But they're all labelled on the top with what range it is and also what arc range is adjustable with it. The K-Rain is different. There's only 3 in the range, and that will cover something like 3.9 meters right up until 8.5 meters. But within that its own specific range, it's then adjustable from something like 30 degrees right up until 360. So you only need one. Once you know how far you want to go, you only need one sprinkler, and then you can adjust them to whichever angle you want by simply selecting one sprinkler. They're called MP because they're called match precipitation, which means that whatever angles you've got or whatever distances you've got within that range of sprinklers on a particular zone, then they will all give exactly the same amount of water given what area they're throwing on, which is quite useful, and it saves a bit of time as well. They're also very water efficient, which means you can run it directly off the mains water supply as long as it's a modest water supply that you've got. Again, that makes it very versatile and very cost effective for small garden areas.